Ever wondered how switching just a few habits can turn your daily chaos into calm? Welcome to Mindful Living in 5 Easy Steps. Whether you're overwhelmed by your cluttered space or stressed by endless to-dos, we'll show you the before and after of adopting mindful practices. Stay tuned to revolutionize your day. Step by step with mindfulness, mindful living. It sounds serene, but what does it really mean? In essence, it's about living in the moment and engaging fully with the present. It's not just a practice, it's a way of life. Imagine moving through your day with a sense of awareness and calm, fully experiencing each moment. Now let's paint a picture of everyday life, the before scenario. You wake up to a blaring alarm, your mind racing with the day's tasks. You rush through breakfast, if you have it at all, and dive into your day, reacting to demands and distractions, barely noticing the world around you. It's a cycle of stress, clutter, and autopilot living. But what if we flipped that script? Imagine waking up and taking a few moments to stretch and breathe, appreciating the new day. At breakfast, you actually taste your food, savoring each bite. During your day, you're focused and productive. Not because you're rushing, but because you're truly present in each task. This is the after, the mindful way. In this video, we'll guide you through 5 transformative steps to achieve this mindful way of living. It's about small changes that make a big difference, from how you start your day to how you end it. We'll show you how to infuse mindfulness into every moment. Ready to embark on this journey? Let's dive into the world of mindful living and discover how a few simple shifts can lead to a more fulfilling, peaceful life. Let's start at the beginning of your day, the morning. How you begin your day can set the tone for the hours that follow. So, what does a mindful morning look like? First, consider how you wake up. Instead of jolting awake to a loud alarm, try a more gentle sound, or music that gradually increases in volume. Give yourself a few moments in bed to simply be present with your thoughts, noticing how your body feels. Now let's talk about meditation. Even a few minutes can make a huge difference. Find a comfortable spot, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Gently bring your focus back to your breathing. This practice centers your mind, preparing you for the day with clarity and calm. Journaling is another excellent way to start your day mindfully. Grab a notebook and spend a few minutes writing down your thoughts, feelings, or goals for the day. This process helps clear your mind and sets a purposeful tone for your day. And what about breakfast? This is a perfect opportunity to practice mindful eating. Instead of eating while distracted, sit down with no screens or interruptions. Pay attention to the flavors, textures, and aromas of your food. Eating slowly and appreciatively can turn a simple meal into a moment of mindfulness. A mindful morning isn't about adding more to your routine. It's about being present in what you're already doing. Whether it's through meditation, journaling, or how you enjoy your breakfast, each of these activities is an opportunity to connect with the present moment, setting a peaceful and purposeful tone for the rest of your day. So tomorrow morning, give these practices a try and observe the difference they make. Moving into the heart of your day, let's talk about bringing mindfulness into your work or study environment. It's easy to get lost in the hustle and bustle, but with a few mindful strategies, you can maintain focus and calm, even during the busiest times. First and foremost, create a clutter-free workspace. A tidy and organized area isn't just about aesthetics. It's about setting a stage for clear thinking. Take a moment to organize your desk at the start of your day. This simple act can help you feel more in control and less overwhelmed. Next, let's dive into the power of single tasking. In our multitasking world, it's easy to think that doing more at once is better, but it can actually scatter your focus. Try dedicating your full attention to one task at a time. By immersing yourself completely in a single task, you'll likely find that you complete it more efficiently and effectively. Mindful breaks are another key element. Throughout your day, take short breaks to step away from your work or studies. Just a few minutes can be enough. During these breaks, avoid digital screens. Instead, take a short walk, practice deep breathing, or simply sit and enjoy a moment of quiet. These pauses can recharge your mind and help you return to your tasks with renewed energy and focus. Also, consider the role of deep breathing. When you find yourself getting stressed or overwhelmed, pause and take a few deep breaths. This simple technique can help reset your mind and bring you back to a state of calm and focus. Lastly, be mindful of how you transition between tasks. Instead of rushing from one to the next, take a brief moment to pause and breathe. This helps you close one task mentally before moving on to the next, keeping your mind clear and focused. By incorporating these mindful practices into your work or study routine, you'll not only enhance your productivity, but also bring a greater sense of calm and control to your day. Let's move on to one of the most enjoyable parts of our day, mealtime. Step 3 is all about mindful eating. This is where we learn to turn a daily necessity into a delightful moment of mindfulness. Mindful eating is about being fully present with your food. It's not just eating, it's an experience. Start by removing distractions. This means turning off the TV, putting away your phone, and stepping away from your computer. The goal is to give your meal your full attention. As you sit down to eat, take a moment to appreciate the food in front of you. Notice the colors, the aroma, and think about the effort that went into preparing this meal. This practice of gratitude enhances the eating experience. Now, as you begin to eat, slow down. Mindful eating isn't a race. Take small bites, chew slowly, and savor each flavor and texture. By doing this, you'll not only enjoy your meal more, but also may notice you feel satisfied with less food. This can be particularly beneficial if you're someone who eats quickly or on autopilot. Pay attention to your body's hunger cues. Eat until you're comfortably full, not stuffed. Mindful eating helps in recognizing when you've had enough, which can be a healthier approach to food. Remember, food is not just fuel. It's a source of pleasure and nourishment. By eating mindfully, you transform a routine activity into a delightful ritual. This practice can bring joy and relaxation to what might otherwise be a mundane part of your day. As we move to step 4, we delve into the realm of mindful communication. This step is crucial, as the way we interact with others has a significant impact on our relationships and overall well-being. Mindful communication is about being fully present in our conversations. It's more than just hearing words. It's about active listening and engaging with genuine interest and empathy. Here's how you can practice this. First, when you're speaking with someone, give them your full attention. This means putting aside distractions like your phone or computer. Make eye contact, which is a powerful way to show that you are engaged and attentive. Active listening is a key component. This involves really hearing what the other person is saying, without planning your response while they're still talking. It's about understanding, not just waiting for your turn to speak. To do this effectively, focus on the speaker's words, their tone and body language. Another aspect of mindful communication is being mindful of your own speech. Before you speak, take a moment to consider your words. Ask yourself, is it true? Is it necessary? Is it kind? This simple filter can prevent misunderstandings and conflicts. Empathy plays a crucial role in mindful communication. Try to see things from the other person's perspective. Acknowledge their feelings, even if you don't agree with their viewpoint. This doesn't mean you have to change your stance, but understanding where they're coming from can build deeper connections and mutual respect. Remember, communication is a two-way street. Be open to feedback and willing to adjust your communication style to better suit the conversation. By practicing mindful communication, you'll find your interactions becoming more meaningful and effective. You'll build stronger connections and navigate conversations with grace and understanding. As we come to step 5, we focus on how to end our day with the same intentionality with which we started it. Mindful evenings are about creating a space and time to unwind, reflect, and prepare for restful sleep. Let's explore some ways to make your evenings more mindful. A great place to start is with a digital detox. In our connected world, it's easy to lose hours scrolling through social media or checking emails late into the night. Try setting a specific time to turn off digital devices. This simple act can significantly reduce stress and improve the quality of your sleep. Next, consider incorporating a relaxation technique into your evening routine. This could be as simple as deep breathing exercises, practicing gentle yoga, or meditating. Even just 10 minutes of such activities can help calm your mind and release the tensions of the day. Journaling in the evening can also be a powerful mindfulness practice. Reflect on your day, jot down things you're grateful for, or write about any thoughts that might be lingering in your mind. This can be a therapeutic way to process the day's events and clear your mind before bed. Another mindful practice is to create a bedtime ritual that signals to your body that it's time to wind down. This might involve reading a book, taking a warm bath, or enjoying a cup of herbal tea. Such rituals can be incredibly soothing and a signal to your brain that it's time to shift gears from wakefulness to sleep. Lastly, take a moment to set an intention for the next day. It could be a goal, a mindset, or a simple affirmation. This practice helps you end your day with a sense of purpose and start the next day with clarity. Mindful evenings are your opportunity to gently close the day and prepare for a peaceful night's rest. By incorporating these practices, you encourage a sense of calm and well-being. not just for the night but for the days that follow. As we conclude this journey through mindful living, remember that mindfulness isn't a destination but a path. It's about finding moments of awareness and presence in all aspects of your life, from morning until night. Thank you for joining me in exploring mindful living in 5 easy steps. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on living a mindful and fulfilling life.